Today, we're answering a common gardening concern: how to prevent blossom end rot in tomatoes. This issue can be a real headache for gardeners, but with the right knowledge, you can keep your tomatoes healthy and bountiful. Firstly, let's understand what blossom end rot actually is. At its core, blossom end rot is a calcium deficiency in the plant. However, this doesn't always mean your soil lacks calcium. More often, it's about the plant's ability to absorb calcium due to irregular watering practices or rapid plant growth. To prevent blossom end rot, the first step is ensuring consistent soil moisture. Water your tomato plants deeply but infrequently to encourage deep root growth, which helps the plants access water and nutrients more effectively, including calcium. Secondly, before planting, it's crucial to test your soil's pH. Tomatoes prefer a pH between 6.0 and 6.5. If your soil is too acidic or alkaline, it can inhibit the plant's uptake of calcium. Amend your soil based on the test results to create the optimal environment for your tomatoes. Mulching is another key strategy. A good layer of organic mulch can help retain soil moisture and regulate soil temperature, aiding in consistent nutrient uptake and reducing the risk of blossom end rot. It's also beneficial to ensure balanced fertilization. Avoid high nitrogen fertilizers as they can promote leafy growth at the expense of fruit development and calcium absorption. Instead, opt for fertilizers designed for tomatoes or those with balanced or lower nitrogen content. For immediate measures, if you notice the early signs of blossom end rot, a small, water-soaked spot at the bottom of the fruit, you can use foliar sprays with calcium. While this doesn't solve the root problem, it can help mitigate the damage in the short term. In conclusion, preventing blossom end rot in tomatoes is about providing the right conditions for calcium uptake: consistent watering, balanced soil pH, careful fertilization, and the use of mulch. Each of these steps helps your tomato plants grow healthy and strong, significantly reducing the risk of blossom end rot. Thank you for watching. Gardening is a dance with nature, where understanding and patience lead to beautiful rewards. Keep these tips in mind and you'll enjoy a bountiful, healthy harvest of tomatoes. Happy gardening!